In this video, I'll be showing you, students and parents, how to upload your work to your student portfolio on Class Dojo. This is the home page when you log on to your portfolio. You'll see your to-do list is at the top. That has your list of activities assigned by your teacher. Then you'll see your class story is listed below that. This is the exact same class story that's viewable on a parent account. The only difference is kids can't comment. So I just clicked on a PDF document that was shared in the class story. This is the daily agenda, which contains all of the assignments and directions for the day. So you'll notice that a lot of these, well, most of these assignments instruct the children to complete the task using a paper and a pencil. So I'm going to show you how you can upload their work to the student portfolio for the teacher to review. Let's start by taking a look at the to-do list. There's one activity and it's labeled April 3rd. This activity says to please upload photos of your activities for today and leave a message here when you're finished. When uploading to your portfolio, you'll see that you have 5 different options of ways that you can upload. You have photos, videos, drawings, files, and a journal. Let's look at photos first. When you click photo, it brings you to a live photo. Depending on what device you're on, it'll either bring you to your webcam like this, or if you're on a phone, it'll bring you to your phone's camera. The video feature, which is only compatible on certain web browsers, is the same way. It brings you to the webcam or camera. The draw feature is exactly what it sounds like. It's where students can draw pictures. They can change the thickness of the brush as well as the color. They can do shapes, lines, and text. This is great if they have to draw the setting of a story and they would rather do it on the computer than on paper pencil. The next one is the file feature. This is useful for 2 different things. The first way you can use this is an image upload. This is for uploading images that you've already taken, because remember that photo feature brings you to a webcam. The image feature will allow you to select photos from your camera roll that you have already taken. So I have some examples pulled up on my computer, so I can just drag those on in and upload them like a picture, except I didn't take it live in the moment. I had already taken it. Then you have the choice to add a caption at the bottom. So I just specified what assignment this correlated with, but you do not have to add a caption. When you're finished, you just click hand in and that gets sent to the teacher. I'll show you one more example with a file upload of an image. So again, these are pictures that I had already taken. This is an example of some math work that was done with paper pencil. Again, just using that caption to specify what assignment this correlates with. And then I forgot to mention that at the top, if your child has multiple teachers, that drop-down list will let them select which teacher they want to submit it to. The other way that you can use this file feature is to actually upload a file. So this is a PDF or a Word document. This is especially helpful for older students who may have typed an essay or a poem or something on Microsoft Word, and then they save that and they need to upload their document. It also has the caption feature, of course, so I am just explaining what that PDF is in the caption. And then when I click post, it will be submitted to my portfolio for my teacher to review. The last feature is the journal upload, and that's just how you can upload text. So this is useful if kids want to share a message with their teacher. Lots of times for the little kids, it means sharing a journal entry about their day. This could also be an alternative to a paper pencil assignment. If you wanted your students to type a response instead of writing it, they could use the journal feature to type a response. And then same thing as the other features, when they're finished, they're just going to look for that blue button, and here they'll click hand in, and that will get sent to their teacher for review, just like everything else. When they're finished uploading all of their work for the day, they can go back to that to-do list. The assignment here was to leave a message when they're finished, so I just wrote, I'm finished with all my work today, and I have uploaded it all to my portfolio. Hand it in, and you'll see that that to-do list is now gone. That student has no more assignments. When you click portfolio at the top, you will get a running list of everything you've ever submitted to your portfolio. It breaks it down by the date. You can also click any of these items to enlarge it, and you can see on the right side any comments from various teachers that are connected to your child. The teacher can also post things to your student portfolio like this journal entry. You will not get a notification if your teacher posts something, so you'll just have to go and check your portfolio every now and then, but they have the option of doing that as well. Then lastly, if you click this plus sign, you have the same tools as before, so that's just another place where you can upload. And that is everything I have for you. I hope this helps with being able to navigate student portfolios on Class Dojo a little bit better. See you next time.